Hello, today we will guide you through how to use embedded data in Qualtrics. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add embedded data to your survey by using the survey flow area in Qualtrics. Embedded data is useful when you want your survey to capture or reference extra information behind the scenes, such as metadata connected to the survey experience. Once you know where to find it, the setup is straightforward. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics editor. Make sure you are on the Edit Survey page so you can access the main survey building tools. This is the starting point for managing both the questions your respondents see and the survey logic that runs in the background. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and find Survey Flow. This section is important because it controls the structure of your survey and allows you to add logic, branching, and embedded data elements. If you're not already familiar with Survey Flow, think of it as the place where the behind-the-scenes setup happens. Once you locate it, click on Survey to enter the Survey Flow view. This will display the overall layout of your survey and show where different elements can be inserted. From here, click Add Below. This option lets you place a new item underneath the current survey element. Position matters in Survey Flow, so adding the element in the right place helps make sure your data is available when the survey runs. After selecting Add Below, choose Embedded Data. This creates a new embedded data block in your survey flow. At this stage, you're telling Qualtrics that you want to define or pull in a data field that can be used later in the survey or in reporting. Next, click on the drop-down within the embedded data area. This menu gives you different sources or categories to choose from depending on the type of data you want to work with. From that drop-down, select Survey Metadata. This option is used when you want to work with information already associated with the survey session or response context, rather than typing in a completely custom field from scratch. Finally, select the sample item you want to embed. This is the specific metadata field that will be added to your survey flow. Once selected, it becomes part of the embedded data setup and can be referenced later as needed. As a quick tip, after making your selection, it's always a good idea to review the survey flow carefully to confirm the embedded data appears in the correct location. That's it. You've successfully added embedded data in Qualtrics using survey metadata.